we're chopping up the bumper today so I can fit it on to the car, which is still in the garage. Because of the front mount, it doesn't fit properly right now, so I know I'm gonna have to be trimming these, both of them off on both sides here. I'm gonna be trying to cut them as close as possible. Right now both of those are hitting the intercooler pipes, and then I'm probably gonna have to trim out this whole inside here. I might not go all the way in. I think I might only have to maybe cut in a little bit here and probably this off. So before I touch this part, I'll line it up and double check, but fairly certain some of that's gonna have to get off. So let's hope I don't destroy it too much. Yeah, but if you have to do it, I got a couple different tools. Knife here, I sharpen on my grinder, little hacksaw stuff. So let's just get in there, just dig in. This works great. You have these shears, it just goes through the plastic. This is going to be way easier than I thought it was going to be. If you ever want to put fog lights in here, don't do this. Alright, those cut down. Boy, did I just destroy that. With those cut down, I'm just gonna go see if it fits up at all, see if I can't line it up, see what needs to come off for these next. So, yeah, see, this is why I don't care that much about this bumper to begin with. So, that thing definitely has to come off. I'm just going to trim it right down here. Nice flat line. I guess it'll be an angled line, but that shouldn't hit. Now I'm going to see if I need to trim any of this off. I hope not. I don't want to. But guess what? Cut it, quite a bit of it, and looking, it doesn't look like any of it pops off, so what a heck. So it was hitting here quite a bit. I think I gotta come at least down to that piece, which is good, because there's paint on the other side. So what I really don't want to have to do is cut into this. This is painted, this piece is not. So I want to cut and try to do a nice line. I'll see how it goes. Oh man. I'm going to think about that one. I got to think about that. I'll come back. So what I'm deciding to do, put a piece of masking tape here. Tried to give it a curve, keep it as nice as I can. But that's just going to give me a nice guideline to cut it. Because I think what I'm going to end up using is a Sawzall. Wish me luck. So, yeah. So right in here, that cold air is hitting right in here. It's actually, you know, I probably only needed to trim maybe this top one at most, because it's hitting here. And the piece that's hitting is right here by like an inch. Disappointing. Well, I might have to get a bumper, one that sticks out a little bit. All right, so after doing a little sawzalling, I was able to get it to fit. Apparently I didn't hit the record button, but I wanted to walk you through it post-production. So all I really had to do was really trim this entire piece out there. That all had to go. That ended up all hitting the intercooler. And so now, this is the issue I'm still having, is there's still a little bit of bow and gap here from the cold intake. I was able to get this on. I'll probably just super glue the edge there. It's really not noticeable when you step back. And then I had the Sawzall. I got a little crazy. I should have just went straight across, but it got away from me a little bit. But I was looking it up, and you're supposed to be cutting that stuff anyway. You got to cut the fog light, so you are supposed to do it. The taping, it is the correct way. I got fed up. Like I said, I didn't care about the bumper. I believe they also suggest to cut this piece off here as well, so that it can get more under there. I guess I didn't do that, so you can kind of see it blocks a little bit of it. So there's still intercooler above there, so might pop it off again and make another cut just to bring that out, widen up the mouth there. But it was able to fit, so I'm happy with it. Yeah, next thing that we gotta do is get the tune set for October 9th, so hopefully he doesn't find anything that he hates and I gotta go buy more parts. So cool, thanks guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like, subscribe, really helps me out. Otherwise, come check me out on Twitch every Tuesday, Thursday. I'm streaming live. You can ask me questions, otherwise just watch me play some Forza. Oh! I've never had it do that across the finish line before. Oh, that's awesome. Oh, is she broken?